Oh, yeah. It's time to hunt the squirrels. Tip of the day. Use the map to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for a new tip. Yes, sir. Whoa. Okay, so I'm at the bottom right. This is a big map. You can run while standing or crouching, but be careful. It's louder. Stay low. To hide in the oh, to hide in the foliage and creep quietly. Use patches of grass to hide. Did you hear that? I think there's a damn dirty squirrel nearby. Is that a squirrel right there? That's a dead squirrel. Hey man, that's a big fucking squirrel. Poison grass, do not eat. Oh. I assume this game is gonna be a completely normal hunting game from this point on. Come out, you damn squirrel. I'm gonna put a bullet in you. Oh shit, oh, he saw me. Come here, you damn squirrel. You damn squirrel. I'm gonna get you. There's one right there. You damn squirrel. I'm gonna get you. Shit. Get back here. Come here. You're done. I got you, you bastard. Looks like a goddamn Wolverine, dude. It's huge. I hope there's not a time limit, because I'm fucked if there is. I've only got 2 bullets left. Uh-oh. 2 bullets to get 3 squirrels? Ooh, bullets right there. Come out, wherever you are. Shit, I saw one. He saw me. Damn it. Oh. What? That was totally a hit. Fuck. Come here! Come here! Shit. Ah, oh, shit. Oh. Is this... Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Squirrels can eat their body weight in food every week. That's nice. What's this? This is not my cabin. Every day you can commit sins at the Shady Shack to boost your score. Oh. Alright. That's my sins for today. Oh. I think I hit it. Yeah! I got you, you damn squirrel. Gimme you. Oh. Yeah! Okay, can I get that one too then? Nah, shit. Alright. No, shit. I'm coming for you, you damn squirrel. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I'm faster than you, squirrel. I'm not very accurate, squirrel. Shit. Why was he scooting around like that? There we go. These are enough squirrels for today, I thinks. Honey, I'm home. I brought you some squirrel. Hey, honey. I brought you a beautiful dress. There you go. Mwah. You look beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed now, darling. I'll see you in the morning. Hello there, dearie. I gotta go get some more squirrels for you. Mwah. Today, I must hunt the big squirrel. I like that. Tip of the day. Use the call to track and lure big squirrels. Come back tomorrow for a new tip. I heard a damn big squirrel. So you're telling me I'm making that sound? Oh, wait. It's this way. I'm tracking this big damn squirrel. Holy mackerel. Look at the size of that thing. Squirrels cannot burp, vomit, or experience heartburn. That's a cool squirrel fact. I like that. I got him. Oh shit, I actually killed him. I killed the big son bitch. Oh, give me you. Come here, you son of a bitch. I'm gonna kill you dead. God, they're too fast for me, man. These fucking squirrels. Gotcha, you dumb son of a bitch. Come here. I'ma skin you. I got a double squirrel, dude. He had two heads. What a freak of nature. Squirrels. Hello. Oh, come on. That was perfect. Got him. You son of a bitch. You dumb son of a bitch. You scooted on backwards. Alright. Last one for the day. I can smell them. Oh, he smells good. Shit! Ugh! Got him. Tango down. Alright. Hello? What the hell? Oh! That was a ghastly ghoul. What the hell? The forest spirits are trying to kill me again. Oh man, there's a free there's two free squirrels right here. I could have been done in half the time. I'm taking these. These are extra. Honey, I'm home. I had a long day today. Howdy, darling. I had such a long day today. It's so nice to be back. Mwah. Let me give you these squirrels I got you. There you go. You're looking beautiful, darling. I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me back my skin or give me yours instead. How dare you say that to me, Marlene? I'm out there every day, shooting these sons of bitches and bringing them back to you. What gives you the right to talk to me that way? You can sleep on the couch. I'm going to bed. I'm sorry about last night, Marlene. I didn't mean what I said. I'm gonna go get you some more squirrels now, okay? See you in a couple hours. Something was scratching on the windows last night. I could not read the rest of it. Tip of the day. Be careful. Large predators will investigate loud noises. Come back for another tip. I'm gonna get you, you damn beast. So I gotta be careful of being hunted now. Seems like the forest spirits are on my ass today. You little squirrel. I'ma bop you right on the head. Squirrels can regenerate lost limbs, although it can take a few years to do so. I don't think that's true. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that's a lie. What the fuck is that sound? What in the fuck is that? Oh! Ow! my knees. That hurt real bad. Oh. What the fuck was that? That was some type of Japanese ghost. Got him. We also need ammo. Oh, right, my daily sins. I forgot to do my daily sins yesterday. Shucks. Let me pop in real quick for a quick sin. It's a dangerous game, hunting these squirrels. They bite back. That's the thing they never tell you about squirrel stapling is you don't staple them quick enough, they'll come back and they'll bite you. Bite you right on the ass. I gotta give it to these damn squirrels, they're resilient. I damn near killed about 30 of them, and they're still coming. Hey, honey. Huh! Honey! Marlene! Marlene? Marlene, are you here? Marlene? Marlene, what are you doing? There you go, Marlene. I don't want to talk about it. Had a rough day. The creatures of the wood, they never give up. Oh, and I'll go out there every single day and I'll gun them down for you. I walk out there into the wood and I go wild. I kill them and I bring them back all for you. I don't want to fight again. I'm going to bed. Tip of the day. Remember, sometimes it's better to hide than to fight. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Thank you, Tip Master. Whoever you are, you mysterious forest-dwelling man. Squirrel fact. Squirrels are always watching. That's not very fun. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm not hearing the biggin today. You must be hiding. Shit. Squirrel fact. Squirrels can debone a human male in under 3 hours. Shit. Can I kill this thing? I cannot kill that thing. Squirrel fact. Squirrel claws are sharp enough to tear out your eyeballs. That's freaky. I don't know why they would do such a thing. I mean, I'm just doing my job, really. What, you gonna hate a man for hunting? This is God's given right for me to hunt, for me to befall death among his creations. Like that. Oh shit, wait. God damn it. I think I'm good. That's a double one. Ah! Shit! I got hit by a ghastly ghoul. I'm coming for you. Shit, they have like a... Oh wait, I got him. I think I killed him. Okay. Squirrel fact. Squirrels delight in causing pain. Juked. Holy shit, I'm cracked. Never mind. I'm gonna kill you. I wanna go back home and see Marlene. This is, it's getting depressing out here. I hear you in the brush. Nice. Got him. Time to go back home. Marlene, I brought you some squirrels. Marlene? Here you are. You look so beautiful. I ever tell you how much I love you, Marlene? Your outfit's almost complete. I am sleeping. I'm gonna go complete your skin today, Marlene. I'll see you in a couple hours. Dude, they're like... God is coming today. Tip of the day. Good luck. Shit. Shit. I don't know why I keep trying. You cannot kill that thing. Found the big one pretty quick, though. Didn't even need to call for him. I mean, look at the sheer size of this critter right here. This is absurd. Dude, they're everywhere. I'm already hearing more. I gotta get some health quick. These woods grow more dangerous every day. Every single day. I'm a bit scared that it said God is coming today. I'll be honest, I'm not sure exactly if that's a good thing, seeing as I am committing daily sins. Oh, come here! Damn it. He scoots around at lightning speeds. Are you seeing this? Let me get him, let me get him, let me get him. Okay, ignore that. Got him. That's number 4. Ho-ho! Snipe that son-bitch ghost. I got him. I killed him in this life and his next one. One more squirrel. One more squirrel. You're my last one for the day. Why don't you just come out so I can go home? There we go. I must prepare to meet God. So, is he gonna, like, kill me? Is he sick of me killing some squirrels? I want to get a good vantage point. I want to make sure I can see God coming. So, I'm gonna get a good high spot. Can you hear it? Hello? Come out! I'm ready for you! Come out! I'ma kill you dead!